Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your forgotten email issues on the Clearscore application. So let's get started right away. In order to change your email address, you will need to go into your account settings and then look for the change email option from within. But if you are not able to access your account at all, then you can open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Clearscore and start your search. Once you find the Clearscore application, you will see the app support option. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on the drop-down menu alongside app support and then scroll down and tap on the email option. You will now be able to select your email application in order to directly send an email to the support team. Now within the subject section, type in forgot email address, and then within the main body, you can type in that you have forgotten your email address and you wish to change this. You can then tap on the send button and this will send your email to the support team. Once you receive your email response from the support team, you can tap on the given link and follow the instructions, and you will be allowed to reset your account using your user ID. And then you can simply proceed with entering your user ID and you will be allowed to enter your new password for your account. After resetting your password by entering the new one, you will be able to access your account by using the new password in the future. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to reset your forgotten email on the Clearscore application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.